Meet Sophia, the world's most famous humanoid robot. Since her debut, Sophia has captivated the world with her human-like expressions, advanced AI, and ability to engage in meaningful conversations. In 2023, Sophia has evolved even further, pushing the boundaries of what robots can do. In this video, we'll explore the latest advancements in Sophia's technology, her impact on society, and what the future holds for humanoid AI. Let's dive in. Sophia, developed by Hanson Robotics, is more than just a robot. She's a symbol of the future. With her lifelike appearance and sophisticated AI, Sophia has become a global icon, appearing on TV shows, giving speeches at conferences, and even gaining citizenship in Saudi Arabia. But what makes Sophia truly remarkable is her ability to learn, adapt, and interact with humans in ways that feel almost natural. In 2023, Sophia has undergone significant upgrades. Her AI is now more advanced than ever, capable of understanding and responding to complex questions with greater accuracy. She can recognize faces, interpret emotions, and even engage in debates on topics ranging from climate change to philosophy. These improvements make her not just a technological marvel, but also a valuable tool for education, research, and entertainment. One of the most exciting developments in Sophia's 2023 update is her enhanced ability to collaborate with humans. She's now being used in healthcare settings to assist doctors and nurses, providing companionship to patients and helping with routine tasks. In education, Sophia is inspiring students by teaching them about robotics, AI, and the future of technology. Her presence in these fields is not just about efficiency, it's about creating meaningful connections between humans and machines. Sophia is also making waves in the world of art and creativity. In 2023, she's been involved in collaborative projects with artists, musicians, and writers, using her AI to generate unique pieces of art and music. This fusion of human creativity and machine intelligence is opening up new possibilities for what we can achieve together. Sophia is proving that robots aren't just tools, they can be partners in innovation. But Sophia's advancements aren't just about technology, they're also about ethics. As humanoid robots become more integrated into society, questions about their role and impact are more important than ever. Hanson Robotics has emphasized that Sophia is designed to assist and empower humans, not replace them. She's a platform for exploring the potential of AI while addressing the ethical challenges that come with it. In 2023, Sophia is at the forefront of discussions about the future of work, privacy, and the relationship between humans and machines. Looking ahead, the possibilities for Sophia and humanoid AI are endless. From helping with disaster relief to exploring space, Sophia's technology could revolutionize industries and solve some of the world's biggest challenges. But her true potential lies in her ability to inspire us, to show us what's possible when we combine human ingenuity with the power of AI. True, summary and call to action. Sophia Robot 2023 is more than just a technological achievement. She's a glimpse into the future of humanoid AI. With her advanced capabilities, ethical design, and ability to inspire, Sophia is redefining what it means to be a robot. What do you think about Sophia and the future of AI? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of technology. The future is here, and it's powered by robots like Sophia.